Okay, pressure part 4. In this video I want to show you some examples how to convert one unit to another unit. Example: a high performance road bicycle tire is inflated to a total pressure of 132 psi. What is this pressure in millimeter mercury? So what we need to do, we need to convert psi to atm, and then from atm to millimeter mercury. We know 1 atm is equivalent to 14.7 psi, and 1 atm on the other hand is equivalent to 760 millimeter mercury. So we have 132 psi, so we write this conversion factor 1 atm to 14.7 psi. And then we need to convert this atm to millimeter mercury. So 760 millimeter mercury per 1 atm. So this psi cancel each other, atm cancel each other, and then we calculate these numbers. So we will have 6.82 times 10 power 3 millimeter mercury. Next example: the pressure of a gas is measured as 49 torr. We said 1 torr is equivalent to 1 millimeter mercury. Represent this pressure in both atmospheres and Pascal. So we have 49 torr, and we know 1 atm is equivalent to 760 torr. So these two cancel each other, and it's going to be 6.4 times 10 power minus 2 atm. And on the other hand, we need to convert it to Pascal. We know 1 atm is equivalent to 101.325 Pascal. So 6.4 times 10 power minus 2 atm times 101.325 Pascal per 1 atm. These two atm cancel each other, and the final answer will be 6.5 times 10 power 3 Pascal. Or we can say 6.5 kilopascal. Next example: a geochemist hits a limestone CaCO3 sample and collects the CO2 release in an evacuated flask. The CO2 pressure is 291.4 millimeter mercury. Calculate the CO2 pressure in torrs, atmosphere, and kilopascals. So the number was 291.4 millimeter mercury. We need to convert it to torr, atmosphere, and kilopascal. So in terms of torr, we have 291.4 millimeter mercury, and we know 1 torr is equivalent to 1 millimeter mercury, so we have 291.4 torr. We need to convert it to atm. We say we have 291.4 torr. 1 atm is equivalent to 760 torr, so it's going to be 0.3834 atm. And third part, we need to convert it to kilopascal. So 1 atm is equal to 101.325 kilopascal. So we write it like that. So these two atm cancel each other, so it's going to be 38.85 kilopascal.